Hey guys, and welcome back to Just Being C'Aira. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I am packing for our trip to the Baltimore Aquarium. So I have all 3 bags that I need to pack, and I'm going to show you guys exactly everything that I'm going to be putting in them because I don't trust the kids to pull out an outfit. I want my kids to literally have on some clothes. If I leave it up to my son, he'll put some sweatpants in there. If I leave it up to my daughter, who knows what'll be in that bag. But I'm going to go ahead and just show you guys what I'm putting in my bag for the weekend. And yeah. All right, so we're gonna start here and try to find my son something to wear, because like I said, if I leave it up to him, he'll put on anything. So this is a cute little blue shirt that will match his shoes. So we have 3 different options of shirts. So we have this one, got 2 pair of underwear, low pair of socks, high socks, and we got the shoes. All right, y'all, prime example. I gotta find like pairs of pants because otherwise he'll resort to this. So a pair of sweatpants or something like this instead of some actual real jeans. All right, so depending on what the hotel temperature is like, I've just picked out a regular shirt for him to wear at night, or if the hotel seems a little chilly, I picked out that long sleeve Minecraft pajama set. And our hotel has an indoor pool that is open till 10, so we are going to take swimming trunks just in case. And now I need a towel. So yes, I like to pack a washcloth and a towel from home because I do not always like to use the hotels. So I'm going to put this into the bag, and then he also has his body wash that will be going in here, as well as toothbrush and toothpaste in the morning after he has used it. Ta-da! His bag is put together and is ready for our trip. Now on to the next person's bag. Alright, so I'm on to the next person, which is going to be my daughter. So she got this cute rainbow duffel bag, pocket on the front, something for both sides, and this is the inside. Alright, so I'm going to start off by putting her bedroom slippers that she just loves to wear, and along with her bedroom or night clothes. So I just bought these for her from Sam's. Comes with like shorts in the back too. Alright, so we got 2 pair of short socks and long socks. Go ahead and put that in the bag. Go ahead and put her underwear in the bag. Picked out Raya. Alright, so I went ahead and found 1 pair of jeans and then a pair of leggings that she can wear. And then we picked out these 2. This is a dress, long sleeve dress. So she can wear that with the jeans or the gray leggings. And then we have just this cute yellow gold long sleeve shirt from Old Navy. It can go with the pants, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those down in here as well. All right, so she has a washcloth and she has a towel, and then she wanted to bring her new killer whale to sleep with, and then she picked out her bathing suit if we can make it there in time for the pool. This cute little bathing suit that we got from Old Navy. All right, so even though we'll be getting in the pool Friday night, I need to find some hair bows that match this dress right here, or at least go with the yellow. So I think either I put her hair in one ponytail or I'll put it in two, but after we come from the pool, I'll definitely shower her with myself and then go ahead and blow dry her hair straight. So here's our hair bow selection that I can choose from. And matching it back to that dress, I found this cute one, or I can just pick something a little darker, like this one, even though it looks purple. And then I also can do like a hot pink, like this, or this bigger one right here. And I also can find some yellow ones, as I have like gold looking colors in here like this. I also have the ones like that. And then I also could do like a light blue like this, or a light blue like this. So I'm just gonna take a couple of options. All right, so this is my weekend bag right here from Amazon. I will link that down below. Or matter of fact, you guys can inbox me over on Instagram and I will give you that code for this cute bag. So this is a duffel bag. You also can fold it back up and it'll fit into the zip bag. All right, so if I'm gonna be getting in the pool, I'm gonna be needing stuff to obviously straighten my hair after I go with my daughter, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. All right, so I'm going to be using Confetti Daydream shower gel and body lotion this weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and toss those in as well. And due to COVID, I'm gonna go ahead and put in sanitizers up front to have at all times. All right, so depending on the weather, I went ahead and bought this at Target for $17.50. This is a light button-up shirt. It is cozy apparently, but of course it's my favorite plaid. And then I also bought another one just in case. This one came with shorts, and this one was only $10. All right, so I got my 2 different pair of pajamas, and I went ahead and bought these from Target as well. These were $10. My daughter has the same matching pair, as you guys can see from the beginning of the video when I went ahead and made her bag put together. So I'm gonna put these in there. I also need to add some socks, bras, and underwear. Alright, so I'm gonna pack my socks. And then put them on this side. Somewhere down there. I'm gonna put these in here because I'm gonna find a shirt to wear with these for the aquarium. Alright, so I packed some Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula for stretch marks, as I put this on every night and I'm just noticing a difference. Me and Babe are going to do some facial masks, so I'm packing these Q Bella Brightening Kiwi Peel Off Mask and then a Refreshing Watermelon Peel Off Mask. 100% vegan. Got in the back. Got an extra toothbrush. We got a couple months ago for things like this to go places. And I also have this shower travel kit. You can actually use it. Alright, so I took the confetti jet shower gel lotion and put it into here. And stuff it down in there. Alright, so I'm going to pack some Garnier Boutique. This is all Pure Clean Aloe in it. B3 and B6. So I'm going to go ahead and pack those. Just in case. And I got a towel. So I'm going to head on the strap, toss my shoes in.